Good morning and Happy New Year. I'm Steve Barber with Coulter Urban, and welcome back to One Tampa, where luxury living meets the vibrant heart of downtown. Rising 42 stories above the city and now climbing past the 18th floor, One Tampa is quickly transforming the downtown Tampa skyline. Since our last update, we've made great progress moving well beyond our parking and amenity floors, and our residential floors are now underway. We're rising at the pace of one floor a week, and I'm excited to share the progress and the incredible views from our beautiful residences. Let's take a look. Here we are on the 17th floor, standing in what will be our F residence floor plan, located on the southwest corner of One Tampa and featuring a wraparound terrace that spans the corner of the unit. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath residence with a den is currently available and is one of our team's favorite floor plans, thanks to the spectacular views of the Riverwalk, the iconic minarets of the University of Tampa, and Tampa Bay. Each of our residences features floor-to-ceiling glass with gracious terraces designed to fully capture these remarkable views. As we move past the 18th floor, One Tampa continues to enhance the downtown skyline, quickly climbing one floor every week. Every day we're onboarding more and more trades, and I look forward to providing future updates as we begin interior work in this building. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.